This garden bed was showing signs of distress. All the plants that were put in here in mid-October, like all of our other garden beds, were very distressed. That's mustard greens, red cabbage, uh, oregano, and broccoli, and nasturtium in the back, but everything in this bed did not do well. You can see the plants look as if they're dying, so it appears that there's a problem with the soil. This was the second planting of collard greens that typically do well in this bed, which received all the normal amendments during the summer and early fall. Holy basil there, it has signs of yellowing. The dinosaur kale is not doing well. The eggplant is struggling. It has some blooms, but it really did not do well. It looks a little spindly. That pepper plant, those peppers are ancho peppers, which should be at least 5 times the size of the ones that are on the plant. It did produce a lot of peppers, but they were very, very small as compared to what they should be. The herb sage is doing okay, but not like normal. This bed usually does well for things such as my lettuces, and you'll see a lettuce coming up. There's the eggplant again, that's very small. There's some red Russian kale that did not do well. The only thing that looks like it was doing well was the nasturtium, but it could have done better as compared to my other garden beds. So we had to do a soil test to see what's going on. So this is the garden bed now that we have received the soil test about a month and a half ago, and we added the needed nutrients. And I met with three amigos growers in Davie, and they really provided some excellent guidance, and they had all the nutrients I needed. I really needed nitrogen and potassium according to the soil test, that my soil was almost totally depleted of that. Don't know why. That is still a mystery, but you can see the mustard greens have now flushed out a bit. There's that broccoli plant that looked like it was dying, the eggplant, the dinosaur kale. Uh, we haven't gotten the peppers back yet because we've had a little bit of cool weather, but look at that nasturtium plant. It's on the ground now, although it was doing well. The Russian kale is coming back, but it's being shaded out, but it's doing very good. The mustards, like I said, have done extremely well. And there's the eggplant. I mean, yesterday I took about 5 eggplants off, and you can see the leaves are doing excellent.